Good evening, everyone. Honorable Miss Ulia Rahmawati as the professional English lecturer and MN24A friends. On this occasion, we are group 6 will present the application letter and CV material. Before that, I will introduce myself and my teammate. I am Karen Lai
And Akila.
and Zidan Ramadan. To shorten the time, let's just start this presentation. Before we get into the material to be present, there will be a quiz first about the daily life material. Okay. So the quiz is five numbers. Number one is what time do you usually wake up in the morning? A at 10 p.m. B at 6 a.m. C at midnight. D at noon.
The answer B.
Okay, next number two. What do you usually have for breakfast? A. Rice and soup. B. Cereal and milk. C. Steak and wine. D. Ice cream and soda.
The answer B.
Okay, next. Number three. Which activity is usually done at night? A. Having lunch. B. Brushing your teeth. C. Sleeping. D. Taking a shower.
The answer C.
Okay, next. Number four. What should you do before going to bed? A. Play video games. B. Watch TV all night. C. Eat your teeth. D. Eat spicy food.
The answer C.
Okay, the last number, number five. How do you usually go to school or work? A. By home. By horse, sorry. B. By car or bus. C. By swimming. D. By helicopter.
The answer B.
Okay, so for next session, we will enter the presentation material with the theme of application letter and CV. To Akila, time and place are welcome.
Okay, thank you for your time. Definition. Application letter. An application letter, also known as a cover letter, is a formal document sent to an employer to express interest in a specific job position. It provides a brief summary of the applicant's qualification, experience, and motivation for applying. Surat lamaran. Surat lamaran juga dikenal sebagai surat pengantar, adalah dokumen resmi yang dikirim kepada pemberi kerja untuk mengatakan minat terhadap posisi pekerjaan tertentu. Surat ini memberikan ringkasan singkat tentang kualifikasi, pengalaman, dan motivasi pelamar untuk melamar. Curriculum vitae CV. A curriculum vitae CV is a detailed document that outlines an applicant's professional background, include work experience, education, skill, and attachment. It is typically used for job application, academic purpose or research position. Curriculum vitae atau CV adalah dokumen terperinci yang menguraikan latar belakang profesional pelamar, termasuk pengalaman kerja, pendidikan, keterampilan, dan profesi. Dokumen ini biasanya digunakan untuk melamar pekerjaan, tujuan akademis, atau posisi penelitian. Types of application letter and CVs. Types of application letter CVs. Jenis-jenis surat lamaran. 1. Job application letter. Surat lamaran pekerjaan digunakan untuk melamar lowongan pekerjaan tertentu. 2. Speculative application letter. Surat lamaran spekulatif dikirimkan ketika tidak ada lowongan pekerjaan, tetapi pelamar menyatakan minat untuk bekerja di suatu perusahaan. 3. Internship application letter. Surat lamaran magang digunakan oleh mahasiswa atau lulusan baru untuk melamar magang. 4. Scholarship application letter. Surat lamaran beasiswa. Ditulis untuk melamar beasiswa pendidikan. 5. Promotion application letter. Surat lamaran promosi. Digunakan untuk melamar promosi internal di suatu perusahaan. Types of CV. Jenis-jenis CV. 1. Chronological CV. CV kronologis mencantumkan pengalaman kerja dalam urutan kronologis terbaik. 2. Functional CV atau CV fungsional berfokus pada keterampilan dan kompetensi bukan riwayat pekerjaan. 3. Combination CV. CV kombinasi, campuran format kronologis dan fungsional yang menonjolkan keterampilan dan pengalaman kerja. 4. Academic CV. CV akademik digunakan untuk posisi akademis dan penelitian, termasuk publikasi dan konferensi. Benefit of application letter and CV. 1. Create a good first impression. A well-written document attract employer attention. Menciptakan kesan pertama yang baik. Dokumen yang ditulis dengan baik akan menarik perhatian pemberi kerja. 2. Showcases qualification, highlight skill, experience, and achievement. Menunjukkan kualifikasi, menyoroti keterampilan, pengalaman, dan prestasi. 3. Demonstrates professionalism. Structured CV and letter show candidates' dedication. Menunjukkan profesionalisme. CV dan surat yang terstruktur menunjukkan dedikasi kandidat. 4. Enhances job opportunities. A strong application ensures chance of being selection for a interview. Meningkatkan peluang kerja. Lamaran yang kuat akan meningkatkan peluang untuk dipilih dalam wawancara. Application in the job market atau lamaran di pasar pekerjaan. 1. For fresh graduates. Focus on academic, achievement, internship, and skill. Untuk lulusan baru, fokus pada prestasi akademik, magang, dan keterampilan. 2. For experienced professional. Emphasize work experience, leadership roles, and industry-specific skills. Untuk profesional berpengalaman, tekanan pengalaman kerja, peran keterampilan, dan keterampilan khusus industri. 3. For career change. Highlights transferable skill and relevant training. Untuk mengubah karir, soroti keterampilan yang dapat dipindahkan dan dipindah-tangankan dan pelatihannya relevan. 4. For international application. Follow the specific CV format required in the query. Example, Europa CV for Europe. Untuk lamaran internasional, ikuti format CV khusus yang dipersyaratkan negara tersebut. Misalnya, CV Europass untuk Eropa.
Okay, thank you for Akila for your explanation material with clearly explanation. Before proceeding the next material, there will be a ice breaking for those who can answer Jason on the microphone.
Are you ready for guessing?
7 up.
Up.
Seven up.
Orange
Orange juice.
Orange juice.
Green tea.
Green tea.
green tea?
Black tea.
Black tea.
Personal leaves the letter and hands it to the hiring manager. Dear Mr. Smith. Number two, keep it concise. One page is ideal. Three part paragraphs. Three. Number three, show enthusiasm. Clearly express why you raise and seen in the job. Number four, highlighting referral skill connects your experience to the job requirements. Number five, uh, forever anxious three and no grammatical error. GPU strength tips. Number one, I clear format and avoid cluster dashing. Number two, focus on achievements. Use number and data to show impact. In, increase sales by mm, number three, include keywords. My skill to be job description. Number four and number four, keep in update regularly refresh and tailor UCP for each job. Next, cancellation, the application letter and curriculum fit CV are indispensable tools in the job application process. The the applicant the application letter service as a concise introduction, allowing candidates to express their interest, motivation, and relevant qualification. Will the CP provides a detailed account of the applicant's professional journey, including education, work experiences, skill, and accomplishments. Both documents, when written effectively, can make a significant impact on potential employers, showcasing the applicant suitable for the role and their professionalism. Next.
Okay, next, Akil. Okay, next we will enter the quiz session. This quiz is related to the material that has been explained before. For those who can answer, please turn on the microphone and say your name. Okay, number 1. What is the main purpose of an application letter? A. To request a loan. B. To apply for a job. C. To make a complaint. D. To ask for a promotion.
Me,
Yes.
to apply for a job. B.
Okay, the answer is correct. Number 2. Which part of an application letter contain the applicant contact information? A. Closing. B. Introduction. C. Header. D. Signature.
Aku mau jawab.
Boleh.
Jawabannya C, header.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, number 3. What should you mention in the opening paragraph of an application letter? A. Your salary expectation. B. Your job experience. C. The position you are applying for. D. Your personal hobbies.
Ariel,
Yeah.
the answer is C, the position you are applying for.
Okay, the answer is correct. Number 4. Which of the following is not recommended to include in a CV? A. Works experience. B. Personal skills. C. Political views. D. Educational background.
Me, Dila.
Yes, please.
C. Political views.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, number 5. What is the correct order of section in a CV? A. Education, works experience, skills, personal information. B. Personal information, works experience, education, skills. C. Works experience, education, personal information, skills. D. Skills, education, works experience, personal information.
Yeah.
Gita, please.
The answer is B, personal information, work experience, education, and skills.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, number 6. How should you close an application letter? A. See you later. B. Yours truly. C. Sincerely. D. Take care.
Latvia.
Yes.
C, sincerely.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, number 7. What should you highlight in the body of an application letter? A. Your vacation plans. B. Your qualification and how they match the job. C. The salary you expect. D. The reason you want to leave your current job.
Nabila mau jawab
Yeah.
B, your qualification and how they match the job.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, number 8. What kind of tone should an application letter have? A. Casual and humorous. B. Professional and polite. C. Angry and demanding. D. Informal and relaxed.
Bagus.
Yes.
The answer is B, professional and polite.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, number 9, sorry. Which of the following should not be included in a CV under skills? A. Leadership. B. Communication. C. Favorite movies. D. Teamwork.
Tulis
Yes.
no. The answer
Yes.
C, favorite movies.
Okay, the answer is correct. Next, the last one, number 10. What is the difference between an application letter and a CV? A. A CV is more professional than an application letter. B. An application letter lists your skills and experience in detail. C. An application letter explains why you are applying for the job, while a CV lists your qualification and experience. D. A CV and an application letter are the same. Is there anyone can answer?
So, Pak,
Yes.
the answer C. An application letter explains why you are applying for the job, while a CV lists your qualification and experience.
Okay, the answer is correct. Well, before ending this presentation session, is there anyone who wants to ask a question?
Can I ask? Sorry, Karen.
Yes.
Thank you. I want to ask about how can you strike the right balance between the professionalism and personality in application letter?
Okay. Thank you for the question, Ariel.
Yes. Thank you, Karen.
Okay, I'm gonna answer your question. So, to strike the right balance are maintain a professional tone by using formal language and avoiding slang, inject personality by sharing a genuine interest in the company or role. Example, I've long admired your company commitment to innovation. Avoid overly robotic language. Write naturally but respectfully. Use confident, positive language without sounding arrogant. Example, I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute rather than I know I'm the best candidate. Okay. How's the answer, Ariel?
Yes, thank you. It's very clear.
Okay.
Thank you, Karen.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Is there anyone want has asked question again?
I want to ask Karen.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. Why is it important to customize both the application letter and CP for each job application? And how can you effectively do it? Thank you.
Okay. Imal, thank you for the question.
Oke, izin menjawab. The answer, customizing your application letter and CV increases your chance of passing application tracking system and attracting the recruiter and attention. To do this effectively, carefully, and analyze the job description and highlight key qualification and skill. a specific keyword and preface from the job posting. Tailor your assessment and experience to align with the company values and job requirement. Mention the company name and explain why are interested in that specific role. Keep your contact relevant and avoid generic statements.
Okay, Imal, if the answer is okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there anyone want to give some question? Okay, to shorten the time, that's all for the presentation from us. Thank you for your attention.